Truly Free about 2 years ago. I see it everywhere now, and I want to break down, is it actually worth it? I will go ahead and link everything down below that I mentioned. I would recommend purchasing from Amazon first before ordering through their actual website so that you aren't on a subscription and you can test a couple things out that you like first. They are affiliate links down below, but they do not cost you anything and just help support this channel. Okay, let's start with the most fun of what I would not recommend. Odor and Stain Eliminator. Here's the thing, I have a hard time using this. You can see we used the full bottle. We did give it a good try, but not work the same as your normal carpet and stain remover. If you have kids, if you have dogs, you know that you kind of need something more heavy duty. It kind of gets the job done, but honestly, it does not work as well as some of the other name brands. And so I haven't found a good non-toxic swap for that, so I would personally go ahead and skip this one. This literally works amazing on laundry. It makes your bedding, your towels, your sheets, all of it smell so warm and cozy. They also have an unscented version if you are extra sensitive to fragrance, but I would 1000% recommend purchasing this first. Just try it and then you will see why everybody talks about it. It literally works the same as all of the different laundry soaps that I've used in the past. I just feel a lot better about using it. On their website, I think it comes out to, with their sales, that they have 16 or 17 cents a load. So the cool part about Truly Free is genuinely, I feel like so many of their products are so inexpensive because a lot of times in the wellness space and non-toxic space, I feel like brands are starting to charge outrageous amounts of money just because they market themselves as non-toxic, which I don't think Truly Free does that. I think that they keep their prices absolutely so reasonable, and it just makes it easy to try it out and switch if you can. Let's talk about my second favorite product from Truly Free. These are ones that I will continue to purchase over and over, no matter what. And that is their non-toxic dishwasher soap. It comes in a little powder and you have a scoop with it. And you will just scoop it into your dishwasher like normal. This has, I believe, 50 loads worth in your dishwasher, and for the price, you seriously cannot beat that. I feel really good about using it. It doesn't leave streaks, it doesn't leave marks, it cleans our dishes really well, and I have no complaints about this. I will continue to keep purchasing this forever. Definitely get these two. If you get anything, just try these two, and trust me, you will not be disappointed. Okay, next so one is this non-toxic aloe hand soap. There's actually really nothing wrong with this hand soap. It's just the fact that it has to be in this bottle because it's a foaming wash, a hand wash. And I don't like that because I think the bottle itself is ugly, and I think there's other better non-toxic hand soap options where you don't have to have the plastic bottle. If you find a pump that does the foaming one, then I do think this is a good option. It's a tad watery and it doesn't have a great scent in my opinion, so this one is just okay. Okay, let's do a fun one. This space fresher is actually surprisingly really great. So I tend to get headaches from candles or other things, so I have to be really careful with scents. This one has a very clean citrus scent. You can spray it on furniture in rooms just to give it a refresh. I think this is a great option and definitely worth your money. Okay, let's talk about the fruit and veggie wash. This one, in my opinion, is great. It gets the job done, but honestly, I also think that you can just use white vinegar, to be totally transparent, and it'll work the same. This does have kind of a nice smell to it, but I found it a little weird using it on food and having a scent to it. So this is the way it works with Truly Free. They send you bottles and then you will go ahead and refill them once you run out. So I do love that you're not wasting plastic and throwing away bottles every single use. These are refillable, and they have the options to just send you the refillable pouches, which I do love. Something else that's kind of fun is their dryer angels. They're supposed to be non-toxic, and they're in place of dryer sheets, which if you don't know, dryer sheets are highly toxic. Those would be one of the first things that I would throw out. This, whew, it is strong. The scent is strong. It smells good, but I'm not gonna lie, it smells a little grandma-ish. And so if you don't like that smell, I would say go ahead and skip this. You can use wool balls instead in your laundry instead of the dryer sheets, and those work just as well. That's actually what we use, and then sometimes we'll add that in if we're washing bedding and want a little extra scent to it, but this one is not necessary. I would opt for the wool balls. Okay, and their floor cleaner. We have used this for about a year now. I really like this one. It has a good citrus scent to it. I feel like it's just really honestly just a simple floor cleaner. I can't say that it's amazing and does magical things, but like, it's a floor cleaner and it cleans our floors. It helps them shiny and be clean. This is just a so-so product. Like, it's floor cleaner. I don't know what else to say about it, but it does the job. It works great. It has a very faint scent to it. I feel good about using it on our floors and having a non-toxic option. We have two more things. First is this enzyme stain remover. You can use this if you have really tough stains like grass stains, mud stains, wine, things like that. You can actually use this as a pre-soak in your laundry or add it to. It does work really well. I think this is nice to have on hand. Those things do happen. And last is the refillable dish soap. This is their sweet basil scent. This one is a good option if you are trying to switch from your Dawn or other dish soap that you're using. The one thing I don't like about it is I feel like you use this a lot quicker than your Dawn dish soap. I don't know about you, but for some reason my Dawn dish soap lasts me like a full year. A little bit goes such a long ways. Whereas with this one, I don't think that's the case. However, I do think that it works really well at cutting the grease and is a good non-toxic option if you are looking for a dish soap. Okay, so after my husband and I went through severe mold toxicity, we have become so aware of what's in our products and using as much non-toxic swaps as we can. But here's the thing, sometimes non-toxic products don't always work, and sometimes they end up being even more expensive than the product that you're swapping out. When I started to think of all of the toxins in our stuff, it really made me think about how easy it is to just make the switch slowly but surely. I did not throw everything out at once. We slowly cycled through as we used stuff, and I think that is the most easiest way if you want to start making non-toxic swaps, to start slow and steady that way. So if you think about it, laundry detergent is always sitting on your skin. Dishwasher detergent will be on your dishes, and then you could possibly be consuming that. Bathroom cleaner is literally in the air that you breathe. You get it. I think these are going to be really great options and cost effective, which I always love. If you've tried Truly Free, tell me what is your favorite product, and I hope this helped someone decide if Truly Free products were worth it for them or not. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.